Hello, and thank you for watching my video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your website email address on your iPhone. Now, I would like to stress this video is giving information which is specific to iPhones. I do not own any other make of phone such as a Samsung or a BlackBerry, so I don't know what the setup procedures would be on those phones. But hopefully everything I'm about to describe for the iPhone will apply to your phone, whatever make it might be. So let's start right from the beginning, which would be to switch on your iPhone. And of course, when you do that, you're going to see the start screen with all your apps on it. And what you want to do is click where it says settings down here. So you click on that. Then you would actually need to scroll quite a bit, but eventually you'll get to an option called Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and you need to click on that. Then you'll see other email accounts that you might already have set up on your phone, such as Hotmail or Yahoo, but you want to go to the bottom where it says Add Account. So you click on that. Then you want to get to the bottom and click on Other. Then you want to click where it says Add Mail Account. Then where it says name, you enter your name. Where it says email, you enter the email address you want to set up. Then the password, if I am hosting your website for you, I will have the password. You won't be able to get it from anyone else. I'll be the only person that knows it, so I will give it to you. Then description, just put 2 or 3 words. It doesn't matter what goes in there. And then you click next. Now on this screen, you want to press down on POP. It's possible IMAP will all be in blue, but you want to press on POP, so that turns blue. So you want that one to be selected. Then you want to enter your name and your email address and description. Now it's possible all this information will have been remembered from the previous screen, so you won't need to fill it in again. But if it's all blank, then obviously do fill it in again. Then where it says incoming mail server, in the host name box, again assuming I am hosting your website, you would need to type pop.webhosting123.co.uk. Then username and password, I will give you that information. Then what you do is you scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll see outgoing mail server. And in the host name box, you want to type, it's very similar to above, but just slightly changed. You want to type smtp.webhosting123.co.uk. Now, username and password, it says those bits are optional, but they're not. If you leave them blank, it won't work. So you need to put the username and password, and the username and password here is identical to what you typed above here. So it's the same username and the same password, and I will give you those details. Then when you're done, you click save, and your phone is going to take a minute just to check all the settings. Now, even though you've done it correctly, this screen will appear, and it looks like an error. It looks like you've done something wrong, but you haven't. It's going to ask you if you want to connect without SSL. Now, I won't go into what that means, but the answer to the question is yes. So you want to click here where it says yes and select the yes option. And then once you've done that, you're good to go. So you've now got your email address set up on your phone. And it should work perfectly. There should be no problems. But there is a possibility that you might not be able to send or you might not be able to receive emails. There is a chance it might not work still. So if that is the case, then there's a couple of settings that we need to change. So what you do, again, you go to settings, you click on that. Then you scroll down and you get to mail, contacts, calendars, you click on that. Then now you're going to see all your different email accounts. So you have all your original accounts, but you'll have your new one that you've created. So let's say this is the new one. So you click on that, you actually click on the email account. And then this screen appears. You want to scroll down to the bottom and you've got 2 options. SMTP and advanced. Now these both deal with different things, so we'll take one at a time. So the SMTP, this deals with your ability to send emails. So maybe that's where your problem is, you can't send emails. So what you do is you click on that and you get to this screen, and you've got various bits. You want to click on the primary server, smtp.webhosting123.co.uk. You want to click on this. Incidentally, make sure the word on appears there. So you want to click on that and you'll get to this screen. And we are interested in the server port number. Now that number needs to say 2500. It's quite possible the zeros won't be there. So you need to add them in. So it says 2500. And then you click done, and that's good. You should now be able to send emails. Now, if you're experiencing a problem where you can't receive emails, then what we need to do is we need to get back to this screen where all your accounts were, and you click on the email address again, and we're back to this screen, but this time instead of clicking SMTP, you want to click on advanced. Now this deals with your ability to receive emails. So you click on advanced and you get to this screen, and again we're interested in the server port number, but this time we want the number to say 110. Now it's quite possible when you see this screen for the first time, it's going to say server port 995. It might well say that. And if it does, and you can't receive emails, then you want to change that to 110. Then once you've done that, that's pretty much it. So you should then be good to go. You should be able to send and receive emails on your phone without any problem. And that should be it. So thank you very much for watching this video.